My name is Ricky and welcome to Connerty Meadows Farm. This is going to be a very short video. I didn't take a lot of video footage while we were building this bed. Mostly it's pictures. I just thought I would show you what we have done with the old cement mixer that we found down in the bush. We're just putting together a nice flower garden in the front, just to add some curb appeal. This is the way we found the cement mixer attached to its original stand, and we knew that we would have to take this original stand off of it in order to put it in the way I wanted to. We got the stand off. Things were pretty rusted. I thought it was really cool. It says Waterloo and Toronto, so you know it's Canadian made. The bottom part is cast. You can see inside the spinners from the cement mixer. We were taking things apart slowly, piece by piece. It was a little bit of fun. We finally got the ends all off, and this is what the bottom looked like. We're just putting the bed together here. I always put cardboard down and then some cedar, and then this is the orientation that I wanted it to be in for the bed. And this is what it looks like in the front yard. We don't have any dirt yet. And then here's with the dirt and the flowers. So here's the finished bed. That's a dahlia in the back. I know that it gets dug up in the fall, so we'll only get one season of it there, but I thought that was a place that I could easily remember that it's there and I can dig it up. And then we have echinacea and a bunch of other little flowers. And I think it's a great use of something that is antique, found on the property, and makes the whole front area dressed up and pretty. I love reusing stuff like this, and it just gives it a unique kind of air to what's here. Here it all is with all the dirt. My neighbor actually started a number of these flowers from seed and generously gave them to me, and my mother-in-law gave me a whole bunch as well. And I just think that it dresses up my whole front yard and gives it much more curb appeal than it had. Short and sweet. There's our garden bed. We've added a beautiful solar lamp that our neighbors gave us. They thought we'd really enjoy it here, so it's added to the flower bed. If you want to see the construction of the flower bed, I didn't take a video of making this flower bed, but I will link in the description box below a video of how we make pretty much all of our flower beds, very, very similar with the grain bags and the cardboard and all the rest of it. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for hanging out with us today. We'll see you next time.